All right, this is a public service announcement. I think today the FMOC, today at, what is that, 2 o'clock our time, Eastern Standard Time, it's going to come, we're already down here pre-market level, and I think we're, I can, we're definitely going to reach the weekly mid-Bollinger Band for sure at this level, and maybe get down to the daily 100 is what I'm thinking. Um, Big rejection off of the daily mid Bollinger Band here. I got it on a 50-cent option on the end of this day here, wanting to hold it through FMOC, but I ended up selling it right about here yesterday for 100%, and then it's up like 400% now at this level. And if it would open up today, this thing would be up, my 50-cent option of 503 would be worth $3, 300 at least. If it opened up down here, about 350 bucks. So that's quite unfortunate. But yes, I believe what we're going to see today. Well, actually, let's look at the 5-minute chart. Here's a 5-minute chart. Closed yesterday. Big move down at the end. If pre-market looks weak, which it sort of does, I believe it's going to, get through the weekly down to the daily 100 down here, which is 1 ATR. But that's not going to happen until 11 o'clock, 11:30-ish, and then we're going to see this nice move down here, I believe, and hopefully if the chart sets up, that's what we want to see. There is a significant level right here. This is a super significant level, so I think we might get a test of this. I think it opens up, does nothing, and then maybe it drops a little bit, 11, comes up at the max. It cannot break this level. Maybe break it just a little bit, but cannot close above this level here at 502.12, and then it's going to come down and crash the rest of the day. Maybe just end up at the weekly mid-Bollinger Band, but if it gets really weak, it'll go down here. It could potentially find resistance here at the 500 level at 11 o'clock. That's definitely a good level as well. So let's see, between here and here, that's $2. I think that's too far for it to go. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to see, because we could get a 50% pullback and then crash down to the weekly mid. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'm going to be traveling this day, so I don't really know. I'm going to be on the airplane heading to Baltimore to visit my friend. So that's unfortunate. Anyway, but to look at some of the past moves on the FMOC, here is, does nothing throughout the day. 11 o'clock starts to move. Volume kicks in, comes down to the bottom here, and then moves up, towards the end. Not a great move, but, here's what it would have looked like here. You would have had near a double bottom here. Double bottom at 47. So you could have made a couple 100% at the very end here. I guess if you would have went a little bit further out, let's see, if you went to the 20s, what price would you have gotten? You would have got in at 12 cents, and you could have get 122. So that would have been 1,000% right there. That would have been tenfold. That would have been a pretty awesome move here. All right, so that's that. Let's see. Oh, the entry on that day, looks like it could have been right through here, right? That would have been an entry right before 11, get the nice crash. Then this move up here ended up being that double bottom. So whatever the price was here, you could have got in here as well. For around the same price on the put. You bought the call, but this move up would have got you in. Then the next FMOC, this one happened. This one happened on the 1st, January 31st, 2024. I screwed this trade up. I believe I got in around here. Open, nice rejection, it went down, and then just ripped back up, stopped me out. And then this was the little level to get in on right here. This macro pivot at 489.12. You see it respected it here, and then came closer, retested it here, and then went back down. How that looked on the option chain chart. This was the puts. 412. No, this is not the right one. Let's see. Here's where I got in, and then I got in here, went up here, took a little bit of profit, then it snapped back down, and I stopped out here, and I didn't get back in down here, which is pretty unfortunate because this thing ended up ripping, 1800, 25, 2400%. And yeah, so that was pretty unfortunate. End up getting your double bottom. So this is the wild moves that can happen on FMOC. On the calls on that day, it spiked down, came back up. I guess I should have watched this level. I guess I'd probably try to get in here off of this blue, and then this did not signal entry when I entered. Went down, gave me some profit, found like a triple bottom, and then fired up, and then this broke here badly. So we'll close that out. Yeah, close that out. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. The other FMOC. Let's see here. This is really weird one. So I don't think I'll go over this one. Yeah, we won't go over this FMOC that happened February 21st. Anyway, I wouldn't be surprised if we get some pullback, somewhere up here, and then fade down into the weekly mid-Bollinger Band and into the pre-market high. So it all depends on what this market does here. So we'll just have to wait and see. All right, good luck trading today if you're out there trading.